Here we are at Chapter 12. Chapter 12 deals with advertising in print media. Now we might think that print media is dead, but in fact it is not. There's still a tremendous amount of media that is printed in various forms. It may not happen as often that there are newspaper ads that you see because of your media habits, but they still exist, as do magazines or print catalogs, flyers, billboards. There's lots of different permutations of this that might not be as they might not jump into your mind as quickly as other areas. But as you read through this is another how-to chapter. So it gives us some hints as to the advantages, disadvantages. But here's some of the things that we're going to look at, or that you'll look at. What power is there in magazines? And they're still out there, okay? They might be digital, however, but they're still print magazines. So in a sense, it's, you could say still images. It might be a different way to express that. How to look at magazine circulation. I used to buy print ads in magazines, and there's kind of a rule books. They call them, golly, it's going to escape me right now, the media kit. And the media kit was magazines exist to sell ads. TV shows exist to sell ads. That's the only reason any media is ever made available for free or subscription, is to sell things. If nobody watched baseball, football, or basketball, it would go away because there would be no advertisers. That's why they exist. So if you can draw a crowd, you can advertise. That's what makes things valuable. Okay, same thing with TV shows that may come to you for free, quote unquote, but in reality somebody else is paying for it. It's just a way to attract attention. And that's true of every form of media, even the news. And it's targeted as well. So it's targeted at certain groups. Okay, so you can tell if you want to know who or what groups are targeted by a certain TV show or a print ad or anything like that, just look at who's advertising, or a magazine, an interest magazine like skiing, say, or bird watching or anything like that, any interest group like that. Okay, so anyway, various ways that magazine circulation are considered, and it's not complicated. It's just there are just rules out there. The rates, or how much it costs to do a print ad. Okay, it's going to size, color, location in the magazine is going to make a big difference. And then the advantages, disadvantages, newspapers. Okay, even though they are shrinking in circulation, there are still advantages. And again, just some of the more mechanics that you should understand as far as being informed in advertising. So, take care, hang in there. We're moving along quickly. You're past midpoint for sure. So, keep up the good work and persevere, and we'll see it to the end. Thanks.